Man, it is hot. And there's a big thunderstorm coming up. I got my tarp, but damn it, wouldn't you know it, I left all my stakes and all my guy lines back at the truck. What do? I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, man, there's a storm coming up. We got our tarp and we're gonna call this our shoestring off of our boot. This is a piece of paracord about 3 feet long, but you could easily use your shoestring. So we forgot all the rest of the guy lines and we forgot all our stakes. All we really need to find is a tree with a Y on it. Kind of like that one right there. Check this out. Okay, easy breezy, down and dirty. First thing we do is we pull our boot string off. We make both ends the same. We tie a simple overhand knot. Okay, bang. Now we attach it to that grommet on the tarp like this. Okay, we're going to be making a simple down and dirty plow point, nothing special. We got our loop tied. We're going to pass it right through and we're going to make a lark's head. Bang. Now we got one end tied to the grommet and we got the other end here. Now we're going to pass it through the Y in the tree. Okay, hunt around real quick, find yourself a nice sturdy stick. Pass it right through this loop, stick it through the Y in the tree, and tighten her up. Now you can set up the rest of the plow point. Just like this. That's gonna stay. Now we're gonna set up the rest of the plow point. All right, may not be pretty, but now we're under the shelter and we're totally protected. All right, this is a quick and easy way, down and dirty, about how to make a plow point shelter when all you got is a shoestring. So, once again, back with another Bushcraft quick tip. This is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, I'll see you on the trail.